be on her back when she does that.
Now she's laying down. Crazy, son.
Rolled in the sand. I like to tie this on here like this, so there's another knot in case for some reason the chain breaks. Let's see right here, tie that around there. Yeah, she does. She's a maniac. Hope she doesn't fall down and hurt herself.
I'd say she's doing pretty good.
How was your lesson, Lily? Good. You look like you're cancering now, huh? A little bit? Good.
She slowed down.
For a second.
Are you chewing gum? Oh. Oh, okay. She's just showing off now.
Go, Sonny.
Doesn't need very much encouragement. Yeah, I think it's a good idea to write Glory today.
Yeah. Oh God, is that the horse from last time?
Yeah, I think so.